stop by and take a look at the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, XM satellite radio, third row seat, quad seating, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.